Cheers guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Debs and me to you and all your family. I hope that next year is as good as this year has been. I know we've had a lot of jobs on this year and we haven't spent so much time on the tractor, but we're getting back to this now, aren't we? There's a few jobs left to do on the house, but more jobs are getting done with this. As you've seen, we've started with the bonnet, we're getting some patches put in, and we'll continue to do that. In a few weeks' time, we're going to shoot off up to Scotland, because I've got up in Scotland put to one side a new pinion shaft for that rear final drive, the one with the bench shaft. I'm going to pop up to Aberdeen and collect that from Colin. I've got a drawbar sitting waiting for us in Marshall's shed for the tractor, and we're going to pop in and see Marshall and collect the drawbar. We're also wanting to rebuild or remake the fuel reservoir for the glow plug. Remember the fuel reservoir we made? Well, this one's copper and it was always just a temporary fix, so we're going to get a bit of brass and we're going to remake that and put that back into the tractor and see if we can get it to stop leaking. See if we can sort out that little problem. As some of you may notice, we've started putting a lot of material onto Facebook, Man from the Mist Facebook page. We're going to continue to do that. We're going to try and grow the Facebook page more for the shorts and for some of the maybe smaller long form videos, possibly the long form videos like the bonnet, which might end up being about an hour for the long form one. We're going to pop that on YouTube. Not too sure how that would sit on Facebook. But we're putting shorts out for this just to keep you guys aware of where we are with this. But at the end of the process, we will build together a big long form video on refurbishing the bonnet. As you see through the year, we've also getting done like what drill. We did a collaboration with Stephen Jackson from Lord Jackson and Buzz the Dog. Hopefully we'll have some more jobs like that coming up in the new year as well. But I would like to thank every single one of you who have took the time to come and watch what we're doing, subscribe, you've given thumbs up, you've made comments, and a lot of you have made very good observations and comments and little tips and tricks on how to do jobs. Now, something else we've been getting as well. Santi came this morning, didn't he? Come and have a look and see what he's brought me for Christmas. Let's come out here and have a look. There now, my Christmas present would have been standing right there, at least two of them. Would have been leaning against the wall right there if AgriLine had delivered them on time, but they didn't. And I rang up a couple of days ago, queried it, and they're now not coming till January sometime. We'll see what happens. Right guys, as I say, I'm not going to keep you long. Following this now is a few minutes of things that didn't quite go according to plan this year. I know in the videos sometimes it looks as though everything does go according to plan, but there are those times when it really doesn't. So hope you enjoy the few clips that we've got coming up, and we will see you in the new year, because after today we're going to have a week off where we're going to spend a lot of time with the kids and with the family doing what we want to do and not messing about with the tractor or the house or anything else. Probably drinking lots of beer and lots of wine and having a really jolly time. And as I say, we'll see you in 2026. Guys, thank you so much for your support. Really mean this when I say I do appreciate your time when you come to see what we're doing on the Davy Brown restoration and the drill restoration and other little bits and pieces, because without you guys the channel wouldn't exist. A lot of contributions have come from you guys to us, but it's also helping out the wider community of other people who watch the channel, because they're clipping bits of information as well from all of your suggestions and your comments. A really, really massive thank you. Right guys, that just leaves me to say again, wishing you and your families a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you in 2026. Enjoy the clips. Catch us later. But remember, don't overthink it. It's only nuts and bolts. Catch you soon. Ta-da now.
Hey Gemma, your mum's on telly. Gemma, your mum's on telly. Look. Liam. What? Grandma's on telly. Nanny. There she is, look.
Does she want to be?
I don't know, she's dead famous. There she is again.
Where?
She's like videoing two men stealing stuff on a trailer. I think she's like a cameraman or something. Like, what's going on here? It's like, do you think she's like a spotter or something for
the man on the mist.
men at work? She just goes around videoing men all day.
Where are they?
I don't know, but she's disappeared. Hang on, she'll be skulking around somewhere. See if we can see her.
She'll be probably nicking cigarettes from there.
She'll be skulking around. Oh, I wonder if she's driving the car.
She can't drive properly.
Quick getaway.
So if you've got a sticker you want on the sticker wall, get in touch with us and I'll give you the address to send it to. No. This is why you just... A sticker on the sticker wall, send us a sticker. If you've got a channel sticker, send it across to us. Email me. You can probably hear it on the microphone. The wind is picking up. Apparently I think this is bullshit. That's what it is. And now I'm going to go to a good bit so we can tie these GoPros together if they're not working properly. Back in a minute. Let's get the bracket put on the column. There you go. This is a Rohiti Supra, R-O-H-I-T-I, Supra, 1 to 13 mil, J33. I've just answered my own question. J33, it's a taper. This is typical. We could adjust the tension very easily on the return spring before we put the shield back on. What taper wipe, and we'll put a cloth in there. Right? Bugger my! It's bloody freezing in the other day. So, I'm just wondering, anybody had one for... Welcome back to Man from the Mist. For those of you new, my name's Barry. Wrong! This bonnet restoration is going to take a long time, so we're going to do it by releasing shorts. No, you've already seen that by the time we get there, won't you? Yes, you will.